Hi there everyone, welcome to DivineArt. Today we'll be making a cute painting of little Krishna. I have got 8 by 10 inches canvas to begin with. Required supplies are mentioned in the description below. We have started with large flat brush and circular motion. Color used at the center is primary yellow, and as we move away, adding yellow ochre and magenta at the corners. Let the background go dry completely and then sketch the figure. Here I'm using white watercolor pencil for sketching, and it's totally optional. You can use the normal graphite pencil. In this painting, I am using Folkart acrylic colors for the first time. There are some pros and cons of these colors. Let's start with some good quality about them. So they have good pigments into it and matte finish. Folkart paints are really thick as compared to other crafts paint like Americana Deco Art that I've used in the past. And they are also fast drying. And now something I don't like about them is they have some lumps, which is not a good quality of the colors. The first bottle I opened was having a layer of paint dried into it, and that's why it was not flowing out of it, and even the other paint bottles has got some lumps into it. Although I'm still using them to get them finished somehow. You can keep on using different kind of brushes as per the requirement of painting, and rotate canvas whenever you think that it is comfortable for you to paint. Now I'll leave you guys with some music for some time. as I'm satisfied by the overall look. I would love to know your feedback about the painting. Also comment below if you have any questions regarding the painting. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me today. Bye bye.